Urinary system in human beings. Have you observed a marathon runner? He appears flushed and his body is soaked in sweat. The energy for running comes from the metabolism of food during cellular respiration. During the chemical reaction, some waste products are formed along with water. These waste products are expelled out. Just like how a steam engine, a car exhaust, or a chimney removes waste gases and lets out smoke, the job of the excretory system is to remove waste products from the body. In our body, many organs like the kidneys, skin, lungs, liver, and the tear glands help in excretion. In this module, let's explore the kidneys, the main organs involved in excretion. Where do you think your kidneys are? Click on any of the question marks to find out. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs. Most people have 2 kidneys, each about 10 centimeters or 4 inches long. They are positioned in the back of the body, behind the lower ribs, one on each side of the spine. Each of them is about the size of a fist. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left. About 70% of our body contains water. The salt present in the water needs to be kept at the right concentrations. If there is excess salt, the body gets rid of it. The kidneys produce urine, filter the blood, balance fluid content in the body, adjust levels of minerals and other chemicals to keep the body working properly. The human urinary system consists of a pair of kidneys. From each kidney, a tube called the ureter, about 10 inches long, joins the urinary bladder which opens into the urethra. The kidneys receive a huge blood flow of about 2,000 liters a day. The descending aorta supplies oxygenated blood to the kidneys through the renal artery, while the renal vein takes deoxygenated blood away from the kidneys to the inferior vena cava. Click on the left kidney in this illustration to show its interior. Each kidney consists of 2 layers of tissue, an outer cortex that contains the nephron microfilters and an inner medulla that contains loops of microscopic tubes. The millions of tiny filtering units called nephrons remove urea from the blood to form urine. The kidney pelvis collects the urine filtered from the blood. The basic function of kidneys begins when you eat and drink. Click on the numbers to know the sequence of events in working of kidneys. Blood with waste enters the kidney through the renal artery. Each kidney has over 1 million nephrons. Each nephron is made up of glomerulus and tubules. Blood enters the glomerulus. Filtration occurs in the glomerulus. The waste and extra fluids then travel through the tube-like structures of the tubules, where several processes take place to turn those fluids into urine. Urine moves into the collecting duct and then to the renal pelvis. Filtered blood flows through the renal vein and back into the body. The ureter is the vessel that connects the kidney to the bladder. Each kidney has 1 ureter. This vessel carries the waste products from the blood filtered from the kidneys. The waste is what we call urine. When the bladder is full, waves of contraction pass down the bladder, resulting in an urge to urinate. Nerve impulses relax the sphincter muscle at the mouth of bladder and allow the urine to escape through the urethra. This expulsion of urine from the urinary bladder is called micturition. When urine is expelled, the sphincter muscles contract. The muscles of bladder relax, and the urine is collected again in the bladder. In babies younger than 2 years old, the contraction of the bladder and relaxation of the sphincter muscles are under reflex control only. But later, after 2 years of age, the reaction is usually under voluntary control. Healthy kidneys are very important to have because they are your cleaning crew. They flush out extra water, minerals, and toxins dumped into the body by the body's other organs. The real kidney killers are drugs because they must pass through the kidneys to be filtered out of the bloodstream. Also, some antibiotics can hurt your kidneys severely. Even painkillers can lead to kidney damage. Remember to watch out and make sure if you ever come across these products, use them wisely. Click on the correct labels.